Crack into the Ravnica Remastered collector. Damn, I'm never able to get that to fucking open. Like, give me that process, but have it open all the way down to the bottom. I'll be very satisfied. Otherwise, what's the point? Radical Idea, Armory Guard, Morning Thrall, Downsize, Gruul Guildmage, Junk Troller, Cartel Aristocrat, and Selesnya Guildgate. Selesnya. We got a Skewer the Critics. We got a Perilous Forays. Another Skewer the Critics. Response Resurgence. Okay. 5 to attacking or blocking. Additional main phase. Additional combat phase. Yeah. We got a Ghost Way in the retro border. Got a Prime Speaker, borderless, and Stitch in Time. Alright. Thanks for being here. Even if it's just a bunch of skewering the critics.